achievements as well. Educationist magazine work at international and national level through the social media, and it is connected with college principals, professors and lecturers. Event organized by Wednesday Time in Singapore. Wednesday Time has organized that was held in 2019 in collaboration with Amity International Singapore, which was attended date has organized 5 webinars at the international level covering formative topics which are attended by more than 100 participants including school teachers, college professors and school with 400 principals. I think it is a very good strength. Seminar and award function and city group of college Jalandhar with 260 principals were present there. Conclave and award function City University Jalandhar with 350 principals. Seminar and award functions in Umbala with 245 principals. Marathon and award from all cooperation with Wednesday Time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am, for your kind words. When you practice gratefulness, there is a sense of respect. एक अपने लिए a huge round of applause, everyone. You all deserve much more than this, truly.
Deal with the schools or colleges or the universities where we are dealing with the human capital basically. It can be all the stakeholders, parents in day-to-day life. So how to create a balance so that we run our institutions successfully. So these are certain ideas which I would like to present. I hope I will also get some suggestions from all of you. This is just my presentation, but I would like to hear maybe after the presentation, I would like to have some suggestions from all of you also to improve upon these ideas.
Pushed into the raging waters without knowing how to swim or partially knowing it. And given all this, we all were struggling. The first 2 months, to be very candid, we were storming. After that, it was to normalizing. Then couple of months performing, and now rewarding. So, as educators, I would say you all have your stories scripted and you all have emerged as winners. We all have grown exponentially as educators thanks to the pandemic.
Members of the hall, a very good evening to our chief guest, Dr. Abhay Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Pratap University. A very good evening to Sir, Directors from Sundardeep Group of Institution. And a very good evening to all the stupendous members of the panel. Impact of COVID-19 is observed everywhere. Education is the most affected. 32 crores of students from all over our country were not allowed from K-12 to universities to attend the school and colleges. The challenge was inevitable. Then came technology, which acted as a catalyst to enhance our education system. Various platforms from the government were developed like e-portal, Shiksha, Swaram and many more. So moving on to our theme of the day, that is disruptive education during COVID and its impact on our education system. I would like to put my first question, moving towards the question, I would like to introduce my panelists also. We have Ms. Suchita Gupta, resource person, educator and motivational speaker. Thank you, ma'am. Mrs. Monica, principal, Edwards Public School, Ludhiana. Ms. Shailja Kashyap, Principal Takshila International School, Mandi HP. Ms. Harpreet Kaur, Principal, Vasant Valley School. welcome all. We started with online education. The first fear of an educator was, now I'm not going to deal with versus parental influence in online education and teaching.
First of all, I thank Ruchi ma'am to ask me this question, and my heartiest thanks to Mr. Hussain, Mrs. Hussain, that they have invited me over here as a panelist. And
Actually, I am missing my children in the school as well. So we are all desperately waiting for those children to pitch in. So now, ठीक है, टीचर्स की जॉब सेफ हो गई एंड हम उनको इंक्लूड करेंगे एंड इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. बट what about the content? Suppose I am not very well versed with technology or my some basic concepts are weak and the teacher is teaching with a pace कि मेरा जो बेस्ट बच्चा है वो समझेगा. What about the one like you who doesn't understand mathematics? I don't know and teacher is not able to understand. So what I'll do in the classroom, kabhi na kabhi the teacher will take the wrong and I'll be caught. But in online what will happen? I'll ask my mother to do the question which I am doing for my son to score better in sessionals. So this is what I wanted to understand. What is the role of content? Whether it should be curated or algorithm based for students in future ahead. So for this, I would like to move ahead to Suchita Rama.
thank you, Ruchi ma'am. So my answer to this question is that obviously we need to take this thing that as we already told that we are teaching our teachers that how to handle the students, because it is not that again it was the need of art that we had to shift towards this online class.
Has come to us after 34 long years. Let's stretch it back to those days during the British Raj, when the education system was so devised that it was set only to produce babus. We would not like to produce thinkers, decision makers. That is the point, I think, where the Indian education system just went into the gutters. Since the years we have been trying somehow to modify that system, but with no policy in place, we educators tried our best to do it on our own. But it could not be done singly. We all know that. If we trace education system back to the Gurukul system, myself being a great proponent of the Guru Shishya Parampara, it is not at all related to any religion, caste, creed or anything. It is just that a mentor or a guru is the person who can make or break an individual's life.